Alright, so we have the much anticipated release from Parrot from their Minidrone series, the Jumping Sumo. I've been itching since I've seen this at CES, and I finally got it. Came in today, and I was at Best Buy. So do a once over on the packaging, as you can see there. Little functions. Here, crack open the package. Can't wait to see this thing. Alright, first we're going to get a look here so you can see the product number. Alright. And we are open. There you go. You got 3 different motifs for the decals. Probably throwing that on a little bit later. Get the drone out. The USB charging cable. A quick and simple start guide, and I got the little rubber piece there, which is the foot for the back of the drone, if I could ever get that out. Alright, and here we have the battery. Alright, might as well, yeah, you get the decals out here. Throw the packaging to the side. Alright, so closer look here. All very similar. One looks like it's a drill, the other one's a sword and a chainsaw. Manual, and as I said earlier, USB cable, battery, and the foot. So I'm going to throw that on, that way we don't lose it. Just pushes in place in the back here. Alright, so this guy's pretty light. I was surprised. His tires look like they take a beating. They're quite soft and plush. It's all foam. I'll try to zoom in there so you can see the thread a little bit better. So I can see a little bit of shock absorption from there. And there you got the camera and 2 LEDs up front. And the bottom, here's where the LiPo goes in. Stabs into here. So currently I can only charge this through there. They didn't include a charger. Looks like it's going to be a separate add-on. But yeah, there's the USB cable, or port should I say, up there. And they're showing here that you can compress those. More compact, maneuverable drone. And yeah, pop them back out for some high-speed runs. Alright, so should have the running footage of this guy soon. Guys, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.